Today I will show you how to install Mysql Workbench in Windows 10 system. Okay, now it's almost done our download. Finish this, install. Yeah, it's almost done. If you want to set a password for enter the MySQL Workbench, you can. If you don't want to set password, please no need to set here. I will select one password. Okay. If you have previously downloaded the MySQL and set any kinds of root password, please use this. Otherwise, you need to reinstall the Workbench again. I have used my root password and check it again. Okay, it has done. Again, we need to install all of the file. So select execution. Okay, we have successfully installed the MySQL workbench. If you want to select any kinds of host name, port, username, password, you can use here. I'm using host name YAN. Root is the management user. The root is selected by default. You can select here the root password. Otherwise, you can enter a new password for test the connection. Okay. It's not working, the root password. Okay, the password is not working. So we will select the default option. Yeah. Select the password here. Yeah, the connection is working. If you have any kinds of problem in the time of installation process, please comment on the description box. Okay, finally we have done the currently going process. Finish this. Next. Now our MySQL workbench is working correctly. Okay, finally we have installed. After installation the MySQL workbench, we will find the current file location where the MySQL workbench has installed. Set its shortcut. Now get your MySQL workbench, click on it. Yeah, the interface has come. You need to give the password that you have entered previously. Now you can see the databases inside the MySQL workbench. This is the database word. These are the tables, and you can see the table value from here. Okay, this much we have done.